Ever since the release of the first true wireless earbuds, many companies have come up with many types with different names and prices, ranging from the expensive Apple's AirPods and Samsung Galaxy Buds all the way to the cheaper Redmi and Oppo earbuds. We even have a ton of knockoffs that you can easily find in most, if not all, of these online shopping sites. As a matter of fact, before you buy any earbuds, I'd advise you to try to do some research on it, or else you'll end up with a really bad experience. Anyways, today I'm going to focus on one of the best budget true wireless earbuds that are not that common. We've all heard of Oraimo FreePods, but have you heard of the Infinix Irocker Pros? What's up guys, how are you doing? Hope you're having a nice day. I'm Milan and welcome back to Fuzitech. If you're new, don't forget to click that subscribe button if you like the video. And for returning subscribers, thanks a lot guys. So these are the Infinix Irocker Pro earbuds, which are really cheap and I think they are value for money. First off, we go to the unboxing experience. Once you open the box, you meet the earbuds straight up of course. And when I opened it for the first time in the shop, the case had a protective transparent cover, but I already removed it. Inside the case, we have the earbuds obviously, then this soft hard thing that is around the case. At the bottom, we have the micro USB cable, which is not a big issue since they're just earbuds. They use a manual for giving you instructions and then a warranty paper. Looking at the earbuds, they look exactly like the first AirPods from Apple. Then the case has an Infinix branding, a button and a light that turns green most of the time. At the back of the box, many of its features are written there, such as smart touch controls all the way to its battery capacity, and at the front it boasts of intelligent touch controls up to 24 hours of playtime and a gaming mode, which is a standout feature. I bought these earbuds like 3 days ago, and so these are my first impressions and just an overview. First off, let's check the design. The case is good plastic and smooth, and it really feels great on the hand. It's small, lightweight and quite compact. I've walked with it in my pocket for these past 3 days, and I didn't feel a huge disturbance. So I'd say it's just fine, although the feeling of being irritated with it is subjective. For me, it's okay. As I said earlier, it has a micro USB port, and you shouldn't worry about the cable as it comes with one in the case. Now on to the actual earbuds. They are almost 100% similar to Apple's AirPods from 2016 and have a nice feel, and so are light, and you won't feel a thing when they are in your ears. At the bottom, they have these small charging things and also a microphone, and that is really good for such a price. They also feel comfortable in your ear, and I think they deserve the name Pro, as they are the Pro version of the normal Infinix Irocker earbuds, which are those tiny things that are like beans or something. These earbuds are touch sensitive, and you can control your phone with your earbuds on. When listening to music, tapping either one of them pauses and plays the music. Double tapping will take you to the next track. You can also receive calls by tapping once and reject calls by tapping twice in quick succession. The features of these earbuds are more than I expected. First off, the earbuds auto-connects immediately you take them out of the case, as long as Bluetooth was on in your phone. They take less than 3 seconds to connect, which is really fast. So we put a check on quick pairing. They also have Bluetooth 5.0, which is good as it promises faster connection. The maximum range is up to 10 meters on paper, but I personally used it for up to 7 or 8 meters. But to be fair, there are walls in between, so I'm not sure if it affected it. Listening to music, it says it can last up to 4 hours, and I can confirm that as I've used it. Standby time is approximately 50 hours and charging time approximately 1.5 hours. Another standout feature is that it is IPX5 rated water resistant. When charging your earbuds, put them in the cover and close it, and it will immediately enter charging mode. When they get fully charged, they enter the sleep state. If the battery on the charging case is low, the light will indicate that to you by flashing itself a couple of times. When charging the case by a micro USB port, the light will be red if it's between 0 to 30%, green between 30 to 70%, and then when it's full, it will turn off. All this time, when charging, it will be blinking, but slowly with that particular color, let's say red or green. The battery capacity of the case is 500 milliamps, while of each of the buds is 35 milliamps each. Straight on to the sound quality. Listening music with these earbuds was a really pleasurable experience. The sound is awesome, although I must say they don't have noise cancellation. Despite that, the sound quality was still great, and the standout feature is the bass, according to me. It's powered by 13mm dynamic bass drivers. The bass is really enhanced, so if you're a person who likes heavy bass, this is the one for you. I've listened to a couple of songs here and there, and let me just say these earbuds really bring out the instrumental part of the music. During calls and even using Google Assistant, the sound coming out of this were perfect. Gaming mode is another feature that no one expects in true wireless earbuds, but here we are. Triple tapping the left headset will trigger the earbuds to enter gaming mode, and you will hear a voice saying gaming on. When game mode is activated, ultra low latency gets enabled and it provides a smooth gaming experience. The last time I used wireless earbuds for gaming was with the Oppo Enco W11, and the experience was the worst. The experience with this was amazingly better on gaming, and that came as a surprise to me. I got these earbuds for about 2800 Kenya shillings, which translates to about $25 US give or take, and for this price, the quality is good for now. I haven't stayed with them for a long time, so I can't assure you of stuff like longevity or design durability and other stuff, but I'll use them for a while, then in about 2 or 3 weeks I may do an updated review based on my experience. This brings me to the end of my video, and if you liked it and are new, consider subscribing for more content like this. That's all for today. I'm Milan and this is Fuzitech. Peace.